course, St. Joe's prepared me. It prepared me to stand here today. And it really touches my heart because really I've said this to a few people as well. You know, it's not always colorful. It was kind of dark at one time. But I know that I stand here full of color today, full of hope, full of faith, full of prayer. And it's because I went back and I identified with who I am, to acknowledge that yes, I'm Indigenous, yes, I am Métis, there's nothing wrong with that. I was born into an Indigenous family, and I cannot change that. So why not embrace it? So when I do this work in the schools, in the Brady Journey program, through Indigenous Learning Services, that's what we embrace in the high schools when we open that door for you in the morning. We have people like Lindsay Mackinac that opens it and welcomes you and say, this is your identity. Do not forget who you are. And through the Truth and Reconciliation, I had the great honor to meet the Holy Father. And one of the things that I recognized in that in-person meeting, at the very end, the first 5 words he said was truth, justice, healing, or reconciliation. And we heard that in the gospel about truth. The truth is what you're going to be set out to do. Will you take up the responsibility of your birth? You have a responsibility to honor that. You have a responsibility to be the best person that you can be. And there will be many trials, tests, obstacles, bumps, sunshine, rain. I didn't realize how bright it is. Anyway, I'm just so happy because I look out and I see hope and I see success coming my way. And you need to know as I get older, I want good people taking care of me when I'm in that lodge. You know, I need that good social worker. I need the lawyer that's going to do my will and all of this. I need good people to help me. So whatever your discernment is in your career or your future, stay true to it. Stay true. And for those who are Indigenous and graduating, I commend you.